Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Halloween cards for you, so let's get started. So Halloween is just around the corner, and of course I needed to create at least a few Halloween cards, and I used my easy 3D toppers, and this time I used the friendly beds. Now this is actually not a Halloween set, but I thought it would work for Halloween. And check this out. I just used some background paper from my stash, and then I added this cute little bed, and I of course layered it. It has 3 layers. Added some washi tape. Happy Halloween. The boo comes from the paper pack. And here is, I think, a very effective but cute Halloween card. Now, these are the easy 3D toppers, and they are called the friendly bed. And as you can see, right here is the one with the lanterns. There are other ones there that are maybe more suitable for a birthday with the balloons. Here is a cute little one with a butterfly. But I have used 3 of these different ones, and maybe just for a second we can go through them, just so you can see how darling those embellishments are. Here we have one with the radio. How cute is that? The one artist bed. So you can see for yourself. These are absolutely darling little embellishments that you will see how cute they are for Halloween, because I made a couple more cards. And here's one that plays tennis. I mean, absolutely adorable. So this is one card. The next one, look at this one. Again, the background papers came from my stash, but the embellishment is from the Easy 3D pack. And here you have it with the owl. They're lightly glittered, and I stacked them with my crafty foam tape. I introduced that last week. See how what I say when it needs to be black, because it looks kind of, it's not so prominent. So this is the scrapbook adhesive. This is my absolute favorite 3D foam tape. But and I introduced it last week. But this is so cute. And then the trick or treat, of course, got a little bit of a glitter border. This little bed sticker came from that Halloween pack that I had in my stash. And I made a third card, again very simple. I used I used an orange card blank, kind of a dark bluish background for this one, and then a little bit of glitter tulle around some scrap piece of paper. And then of course here is my bed, and the way it is, the artist made it, it almost looks like this light is on. It almost looks like somebody put a little light behind it. The artwork is impeccable. You can see it on this one too. I mean, doesn't it look like somebody put a light behind those? This is how beautiful this artwork is from Hardy Crafts. Now last year, of course, we had the Halloween embellishments, and I still have a few of those in my store. And these are typical Halloween art. There is the kitty and the rat and the big spider and the spooky ghost, and of course the pumpkin. There's also a bed, not quite as friendly as the ones in my video. Then we have an owl there, and the witch on her broom, even a rat. So yeah, oh, and the raven with the skull. So these are the typical Halloween ones that also, of course, are cute. But I have the comic mouses too. And if you like the friendly beds, you may also like the comic mouse. And these are just as darling. Look at them. And here with the hazelnut, that would be a great ornament for fall too, because the nuts are now ready. Here with the mushroom. Super cute embellishments sitting in a flower pot and in a cup here, looking through the birdhouse. So these are just so adorable, and the artwork is just as cute. So these are the 3 ones that I wanted to share with you. The friendly bats, and then the Halloween and the comic mouses. But I have one more project I really wanted to share with you, so please stay tuned. So I wanted to share with you a little booklet that I created for my grandniece. She will be 5 in October and just is discovering the witches and Halloween and is looking forward to it. She is, of course, living in Germany, and I wanted to make her a little booklet, and I wanted to share that with you. This is just a Halloween paper pack that I had in my stash. I had it for a couple of years, so I don't think it's available anymore, but if you go, you will probably find similar paper packs. And you know, with these 12 by 12 paper packs, you always have the cut aparts. I don't carry these in my store because I know these are widely available and I cannot compete with the other stores, but I buy them for myself, of course. So, you know, I used some of the cut aparts and made this closure. But here is my book. And first of all, I love this one with the flying witches. And here, of course, is the one that I have popped up. Okay, then when I open it up, you have this framed picture of the witch hanging on the wall. There's a little monster here, and my little grandniece, she loves the monsters. There is another monster one, and I put a little bit of interactive so you can take this out. Oops, there is a ghost coming out. So very simple, really, because all you do is you glue a piece of paper and make sure you just glue the side so you actually have a pocket here. Okay, then on the next page, again, I have another pocket, and there is another green faced witch that she can pull out. This one here I put on a wobbler so you can see how it wobbles. Right, and then here is my next one. I put a little booklet in here, so I used all the cut aparts, and so she can just go through this and has all the pretty pictures. I'm gonna write her a cute little fairy tale so that she has something to read with these cute little pictures. But yeah, so I made this little booklet. This little envelope I share with you next time. It's very easy to fold from a 6 by 6 paper. And then I have another spot here. Then here in this envelope, that's what it is. It's an envelope. I'm going to put a little note for her. So here's the other side of the envelope. And I made the envelope with the papers from the pack and used my envelope maker. And then here on the last page we have 2 more pull-outs. So she can pull these out. I remember when I was little, I loved these interactive books, and I hope that she will like this. But this little booklet I wanted to share with you. This will be in the mail soon, going out to Germany, and I hope she has some fun with it. But if you like my cards, I offer them in value packs. So since my little boutique has closed due to Corona, I will try to sell my cards online. So if you are interested, if you like the cards that I share each video, each Saturday, I do put them in value packs, and I added even a few tags to it. So check it out. It's on my website, and I will link it below. So I forgot to mention, this little booklet is made with cards. So you just use cards and glue them together. That becomes a booklet. So these are all cards, and then I just added extra paper for the pockets. But that's how easy it is. I used 4 cards and just glued them together. Now I hope you liked my Halloween cards and this cute little book I made. If so, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the box below. I love you as a subscriber. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. Also join me on Facebook in our European Paper Crafts Facebook group. I would love to see what you're creating. But this is all I have for you today. The links are in the box below for the materials I used. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please stay or get well and let us be kind to each other. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!